Prepare a really quick meal tonight. I have here some chicken wings, and I am going to bake these chicken wings. They're gonna taste like they're fried, but they are going to be baked. Flaxseed meal, cashew meal, paprika, salt, and fresh pepper. So all you do is mix all the ingredients, mix them in a bag, in a paper bag, and make sure that they are completely saturated with that mix with the flaxseed and the cashew meal. They are baked at 350 degrees and they're gluten-free, no flour, great nutrients going in this chicken wings. Our baked chicken is done, and you will think that I fried this chicken, but it's not fried. And the taste, oh my goodness, you guys, is so good. It's really good.